In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export wireframes from Balsamiq. If you've created your mockups and you're ready to share, print, or back them up, exporting is the way to go. We'll keep this simple and thorough so you can choose the right format and get clean results every time. Start by heading to the project menu at the top and selecting Export. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl or Command plus E to open the same export window. This is your hub for choosing what to export, which format to use, and how the final files will look. First, pick your export format. Choose PNG if you want high-quality images you can drop into presentations, wikis, or design documents. PNGs keep your screens crisp and are great for sharing visuals without the extra pages of a document. Select PDF if you need a printable, shareable document. PDFs are ideal for handoffs and reviews because links between screens can remain clickable, making it easy for stakeholders to navigate your flow. Finally, choose BMPR if you want a native project file. This is perfect for backups or for handing the project to someone who will open it directly in Balsamiq and continue editing. Next, decide what to export. You can export all screens in your project, which is helpful for a complete package, or just the current selection. If you only need a subset, make sure those specific wireframes are selected in your project before opening the export window, and then choose the option for the current selection to keep things focused. Now configure your settings, especially the layout. Adjust options like page orientation and scaling so your content fits nicely and remains readable. For PDFs, consider how pages will flow and whether you want multiple screens per page or one per page for clarity. For PNGs, choose a resolution that matches where the images will be used. Higher resolution is great for large displays, while standard resolution keeps file sizes manageable. When everything looks right, click Export, choose where to save your files, and confirm. The export will generate your images, document, or BMPR file in the location you picked. A few quick tips to wrap up. Use a clear naming convention so versions are easy to track. For PDFs, quickly test the links to ensure navigation works as expected. For BMPR backups, store them in a safe folder or synced drive so you don't lose your work. And that's it. With the export window, the right format, and a few layout tweaks, you'll have polished deliverables ready to share in minutes.